What's going on YouTube? The Otis here, back from my garage to you. Quick video. Imagine this: 2 to 3% of your, not your wealth, but millionaires' wealth going into Bitcoin. Imagine if you have $1 million and you want to put 2 to 3% of that million into Bitcoin. That's 3 coins. That's 3 Bitcoin off the market. Not even 3, right? Because we hit a new all-time high. But imagine, okay, and imagine you say, okay, well, this asset has made me more money because it's gonna shoot past, 500K. It's gonna, not to be just so overly bullish, but just the sheer amount of people who are gonna put 2 to 3% of their allocation of their wealth and allocate it to Bitcoin. And I don't think people understand it. I don't think people understand what is about to happen. I don't think people, it is literally about to be insane. Like, the exchanges will shut down. The Bitcoin you have on exchanges will be non-existent. And you think this is a game. You really think this is a game. If you don't have Bitcoin, you really don't have a lot of time to research what Bitcoin is at this point. You don't have a lot of time to wait until Friday until you get paid. You don't really have a lot of time to, okay, next year when my taxes come, you don't really have a lot of time. And some people have to pay taxes. But people who do receive income taxes, like, you don't have a lot of time. You don't have that time to wait. Get in now. This is not financial advice. This is just to make you aware of what's happening. You have to look at Japan, the 3rd largest country as far as economy. Like, they're saying, hey, let's do this. Bitcoin reserve, let's go. At this point, we're not waiting. We're not necessarily waiting until Donald Trump goes and speaks about it. We're not waiting. Other countries are on it. It's not just a U.S. thing. This is the world's currency. This is the world's asset. It's not just put in one part of the world. It's not just put in one company. This is across the whole world. And if you're watching this video and you're thinking about putting some more money in, it might not be a bad idea. It might not be a bad idea. I think when we look back at it, after 4 years, you're gonna be like, man, $100,000 was cheap, was dirt cheap. Imagine Bitcoin being $1 million. Just imagine, even in 4 years, and you could have bought it for 100K. It's a different kind of hurt right there. It's a different kind of hurt. I mean, especially if you have the money, right? If you have the money and you chose not to, and then even after it went to 150, you chose not to, even after it goes to 200, you say maybe, no, it has to drop down now, and then now it's at 500, and then you allocate. And then you realize, like, it didn't drop and it went up to 6,000. I'm sorry, 600,000. And then you realize that you have missed that whole way up. You missed it. But let's end this video. I want to make a really quick. This is pretty bullish. This is pretty bullish. I don't think I can be any more bullish than this. But I'll try to top it. I'll try to top this video. But this video and many others will be on the way. Journey to 100,000 subs one day. But a journey to 1,000 subs. Until the next video. Peace.